Hey guys, welcome to Login Hub. Today I'll be showing you how to see or find your saved reels on your Instagram account. And now let's start writing. Now to find or see your saved Instagram reels on your Instagram account, first open up your Instagram app like this. And over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon. Tap over here in order to first find your saved reels, and after landing on the profile section of your Instagram account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three line icon over there. Tap on that three line icon like this, and over here guys you can see the saved option available for us just below the QR code. Tap on that saved like this, and you can see guys all of your saved posts, videos and photos will be available over here on the saved section of the Instagram. And you can see over here guys, and these are all the post or reels I have saved because I like them. And with that being said guys, this is how you find or see your saved reels on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.